Hello building fans, it's Pablo here from Building with Pablo, and this is the third and last part of how to use a shelf for a Lego collection. Previously, in how to use a shelf for a Lego collection part 2, I showed you how you can use a shelf to store your Lego collection, such as your Lego pieces and your Lego set manuals. This space I want to use to display my Lego city, so I want to clean it before adding my Lego city on top of it. So I'm going to use a humid wipe to clean all of the surfaces. I'm going to find the center of the length, and then I'm going to make a mark with a pencil. After that, I'm going to find the center of the width on the left side. Now I'm going to find the center of the width on the right side. Using a level or a ruler, you can draw some lines that go all the way to the center. As you can see here, I already found the center of the shelf ceiling. For this project, I'm going to use a rechargeable battery from the brand of Slim Beam, which is ideal to use for shelves, closets, and etc. I'm going to start off by unboxing this lamp. And this is how it looks with everything outside of the packaging. We have the user's manual, a thank you note for purchasing this product, a cable to recharge the lamp, the rechargeable lamp, which comes with 2 magnets on the back to be able to mount and unmount this from the surface. I'm now going to find the center of the width and length of the lamp, and I'm going to mark it up with a washable marker. I'm now going to take off the paper that's used to protect the adhesiveness of the magnets, so that way I can put this on the ceiling. I'm now going to take off the lamp for the meantime as I press on the metal, so that way the adhesiveness bonds well to the surface. This lamp comes with 3 light modes: a blue light, yellow, and white. This is how it looks with this space of the shelf well illuminated. It's now come to the moment to add my Lego city in micro scale. I'm going to add this rope plate, which comes with a street light, a building, a hospital, and some terrain to the side. After that, I'm going to add this other rope plate, which comes with a traffic light, some lamps, and a car wash. And now I'm going to stick them together. Next, I'm going to add another road plate, which comes with 2 tables, one for DIY projects, another for eating dinner or for picnics, along with some terrain. And to unite both of these parts, I'm going to use a crosswalk, which comes with a crosswalk, of course, speed humps, traffic light, and a crosswalk sign. Now I'm going to add the last road plate, which comes with a street lamp, a speed limit sign, a pine tree covered with snow, and a fire station. I am now going to add vehicles of micro scale to this LEGO City layout, such as this bus to the car wash. Then I'm going to add this monster truck. After that, this small police car. A firefighter helicopter, a paramedics van, a truck which carries race car cargo, a recycle and organics truck, and last but not least, a cargo train. This is how it looks with this section of the shelf already finished, with the lamp already installed and the LEGO City in micro scale on top of it. This was it for this video of how to use a shelf for a LEGO collection part 3. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, keep building.